In this video, we are going to see how we can convert a PNG file into a vector SVG file so that you can enlarge that, you can edit that however you want, and it will never be out of shape. So here's how you can do it. So first of all, what we can do is just click on File and click on Open in Place. And from here, we will choose our PNG file, which is this one. We open that up. And once we have done that, we click on Image. And we can click on vectorize bitmap, but if it is disabled, we need to right click on the layer, actually select the last layer. If it has a lot of them, you select the last one and click on rasterize, and then we actually click on image and click on vectorize bitmap, and it will create an SVG file for it. And you can see the comparison image, and you have some settings that you can customize. And you can reduce the noise if you want to. This will make some very small changes if you notice. And once you are happy with the final outcome, you click OK. And now you have this put in a folder. You can highlight it and you can move however you want. And once we have converted this, you should be able to see that you can move each single object and place it wherever you want. So this is the benefit of vectorizing the image. You can convert the PNG file into vector images, and then you can use and move each individual portion of it. And if you want to export it as a vector, you just remove the background from here. You just simply select that and delete that. And we go to File and click on Export As, and we select SVG here. We can customize the size like height and width here, and we hit Save. And that will be downloaded just like so. And if we open this, now this is an SVG format. So that is how you can do it and convert the PNG file into the vector SVG image in Photopea. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.